Hey, what's up guys? It's Joe here. Hey, sorry it's been so long since I've posted. My wife and I had 2 boys in the last 3 years, and man, I have no free time anymore. If you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. It's like free time doesn't exist. But hey, I want to show you another way to attach a pull-up bar in an unfinished basement. Make it a little bit easier in case you have an unfinished basement. Make sure that sucker is nice and secure. Let's get to it. All right, let's head into the unfinished basement area. Get this barn door out of the way. Pay no attention to all of our junk there. Okay, so check this out. We got a 2x8 up at the top secured to the joists, okay, using 3-inch wood screws. Then I've got a 12-inch piece of galvanized pipe, 90-degree elbow, and then a 3-foot section of galvanized pipe as well. And then you have the flanges secured up there using 3-inch wood screws. You can see I have another little strip up there for those wood screws to bite into. And then over here as well, you can see these are hitting a couple of joists, so good to go there. But this has been like this for, gosh, I think 3 or 4 years now, and it is holding tough. I think you'll be really happy. This ceiling is a little bit higher, so I had to go with a different technique. This is probably an 8 or 9 foot ceiling. So hope this helps out, guys. Gives you another idea of how to attach that pull-up bar in your basement, so you can go ahead and get after it. All right, guys, take care. Have a great day.